So because of how reactive she is, I won't be putting her head on my shoulder, but I'm going to see if she'll let me work her pull a little bit. Good girl. I don't really want to do big adjustments with her. Well, because if you put a big adjustment into this mare, the way she's been behaving and acting, she could really pull and try to run away. So I just put in a little input there, see what she'll tolerate, and then do more if she'll let me. That's a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. And then we'll check the other side too. That's a good girl. She feels pretty comfortable up here, and she is very tolerant of pressure at her pull, which I'm pretty surprised about. So I might be able to do a little bit more than I thought. Ooh, easy, good girl. So she's liking this stretch, which is great. Love the licks. Oh, oh, good girl. I think most of what I'm seeing with her is mental more than physical, because she's okay. Her muscles aren't tightening up. She's not spastic or anything, but then in her brain just all of a sudden says no like this. So I am gonna really adjust this left side just because of how different she's acting from this left side compared to the right side where she seemed really comfortable. So I will adjust this one, and then pull some lead rope out just so I have more to grab onto, because I'm sure she's going to react pretty tough to this. There we go. That was a lot better than I expected. Good girl. There we go. Love the head drop, deep breaths.